Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It serves as the fuel that kickstarts your metabolism, and provides the energy we need to tackle the day ahead. After a night of fasting, our bodies crave nutrients to replenish energy stores and enhance focus. Studies show that a nutritious breakfast can improve concentration, boost mood, and even aid in weight management. In this video, we'll dive into the significance of breakfast and explore how it sets the tone for our daily activities. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent on the go, finding the right breakfast can make all the difference. We'll also share some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that are not only easy to prepare but also packed with the essential vitamins and minerals your body craves. So, stick around as we uncover the best ways to start your day off right and keep your energy levels soaring. Eating breakfast is crucial for both our physiological and psychological well-being. When we consume a balanced breakfast, we kickstart our metabolism, signaling our bodies to begin burning calories efficiently. This meal provides essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and proteins that our bodies need to function optimally. Moreover, breakfast plays a significant role in cognitive function. Studies have shown that individuals who eat breakfast tend to perform better in tasks requiring concentration and memory. This is particularly important for students and professionals who need to stay sharp throughout the day. On the psychological side, a nutritious breakfast can positively influence our mood. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing irritability, and enhancing overall emotional well-being. Additionally, regular breakfast consumption is linked to maintaining a healthy weight. By preventing excessive hunger later in the day, breakfast can help control cravings and reduce the likelihood of overeating. In essence, starting your day with a wholesome breakfast sets the stage for a healthier, more productive day ahead. When it comes to nutritious breakfast options, the choices are both delicious and beneficial for your health. One great option is oatmeal topped with fresh fruits like berries or bananas. Oatmeal is rich in fiber, which helps keep you full longer and provides sustained energy throughout the morning. Another fantastic choice is Greek yogurt drizzled with honey and sprinkled with nuts or seeds. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, promoting muscle repair and growth, while honey adds a touch of natural sweetness and antioxidants. Whole grain toast with avocado is also a winner. Avocado is loaded with healthy fats and fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and keep you satisfied. These options not only taste great but also offer a variety of nutrients to fuel your day. Don't hesitate to mix and match these ingredients or try different combinations to create a balanced meal that suits your taste. Experimenting with your breakfast can lead to discovering new favorites that energize you for whatever lies ahead. For those busy mornings when time is tight, quick and easy breakfast options can be a lifesaver. One fantastic choice is a smoothie. Just blend your favorite fruits, a handful of spinach, and some yogurt or milk for a nutritious drink that you can take on the go. Smoothies are packed with vitamins and can be customized to suit your taste. Another great option is overnight oats. Simply combine rolled oats with milk or yogurt and let them soak overnight. In the morning, add fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey for a delicious and filling breakfast. This meal is not only convenient but also rich in fiber and protein. Breakfast burritos are another quick solution. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, beans, and veggies, then wrap it up for a hearty meal. To save even more time, consider preparing these meals in advance. With a little planning, you can enjoy healthy breakfasts without the morning rush, setting a positive tone for your day. Many people unknowingly make common mistakes when it comes to breakfast, which can impact their health and energy levels. One of the biggest pitfalls is skipping breakfast altogether. This can lead to increased hunger later in the day, often resulting in overeating or making unhealthy food choices. Another mistake is opting for sugary cereals. While they may seem convenient, these cereals are often loaded with added sugars and lack essential nutrients. This can cause a quick spike in energy followed by a crash, leaving you feeling sluggish. It's crucial to focus on balanced meals that include protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These components work together to keep you full and energized throughout the morning. For example, pairing whole grains with protein-rich foods like eggs or yogurt can provide sustained energy and prevent cravings. Being mindful of your breakfast choices is essential for setting a positive tone for the day. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make healthier decisions that support your overall well-being and productivity. In summary, breakfast plays a vital role in our health and productivity. It kickstarts our metabolism, provides essential nutrients, and enhances cognitive function, making it crucial for a successful day. We've explored a variety of nutritious breakfast options, from oatmeal and Greek yogurt to quick smoothies and breakfast burritos, all designed to fuel your body and mind. Remember to avoid common breakfast mistakes, such as skipping this important meal or choosing sugary cereals that can lead to energy crashes. Instead, focus on balanced meals that include protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and energized. We encourage you to experiment with different breakfast ideas and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with friends and family. Your support helps us create more content that promotes healthy living and well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to making breakfast a delicious and nutritious start to your day.